Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. Today I'm gonna do the review for this Kérastase hair night serum. Today I would like to do the review for this Kérastase hair serum. By the way, normally I would use a shampoo conditioner for the cheapest one, like $3, $6. But this is a $50 for the hair serum. Oh my god, let's unbox it. Oh my goodness. By the way, they have this anniversary on their website. They have the anniversary event on their website. So actually I bought only one of the serum and the rest is free samples. Oh my god, so much. Oh my god, it's so luxurious. Guys, do you think you need the $50 for the hair serum? But we all want to be beautiful, and if it works, it works. So this is the packaging. It looks unreal. It's 90 mils for $50. Never spent this much on the hair iron before. By the way, my hair is fine, super fine, and kind of wavy a little bit. I'm gonna put on half of my hair, and the other half I would use a regular hair serum that I use. Let's unbox first. My god, it looks so beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm gonna part my hair, and the other side I'm gonna use my routine. This is a Pro V Miracles Vita Fusion Replenishing Overnight Milk, and this is from Pantene, and I believe it's around 10 to 15 US dollars. Let's do this side with my regular routine. So around one pump. And I just focus on the middle to the tips, even though I have the really short hair right now, but just want to see the result. Alright, so I feel like it's instantly tames my hair really well and bring back the natural wave that I have. The star of the show. So I feel like it's half of the pump. This is way bigger pump than that one. So it's like this. All the texture is kinda half liquidy and kinda halfway cream. My god, the smell. I feel like this is more lightweight. It's super lightweight. It's not an oil. Just that liquidy, a little bit creamy. The smell is so relaxing. It smells like, oh my god, a relaxing fragrance. It's really good. I couldn't explain, but it's really relaxing and make me want to sleep. Why does this side look better? Anyway, so this one is just gone. It's so creamy and it's gone for the Pantene one. But this one, I feel like it's more lightweight, but it feels like it makes my hair a little bit oilier. But I don't mind when you're gonna go to sleep. Who would mind that? But I don't know. I feel like this side is bouncier. I feel like it takes longer for it to dry. Right now it's getting in there, and it's obviously more like make this one shinier, and a little bit waist is down if you ask me, but it looks so shiny. What do you think, guys? So I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna shower and I'm going to sleep. Right now it's 7 a.m. So it said that 8 hours miracle. We shall see.
It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel?
Guys, I'm in the bathroom right now. And I feel like the expensive, the Kérastase side, just better for taming the frizz. For this side, it looks bigger, but the frizz is still there. While this one, it looks better right now. Is that weird? Anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep and we shall see. Good morning, guys. Right now it's 2:30. I feel like the Kérastase side just looks not as curly for this one. This one is way bouncier, but it's soft as well. But I feel like this one is more like silky soft. So this one feel a little bit softer. So I feel like the Kérastase one is better for the nourishment, but it weighs out a bit, as you can see. So it's making me feel like maybe this one this is make your hair shrink. It is the 8-hour Magic Night Serum Overnight Nourishment Cream for dry hair. And I have dry hair. As you can see, it's less wavy. I really don't know what's going on here, but this one is obviously no frizz. But it loses the curl a bit, while this one is so big and curly. Not curly, just wavy. So I really don't know what to decide. Maybe I feel like I need to try it longer. Try it for the long run to see if it works. And for my hair type, it looks good, but it weighs down. I will leave it to you guys. Alright guys, I just blow dry my hair. If you ask me, I feel like I could feel like this side is so silky smooth. And of course the big hair like this side just it wears out a bit, but maybe this side is big because it's frizzy, or this side is not frizzy and it's I don't know. But anyway, it feels so smooth and good. So maybe I use too much. Maybe just I should focus on the ends only, or I use too much or anything. I'm gonna try it more. Maybe I should use it for 7 days to see if it's that good. Alright, be back. I kind of start to like it, but on the end it's still kind of wavy, but it's so straight and I don't know. Do you guys think I use too much? Maybe? Like, I could see the difference now.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it.
Alright guys, to summarize the video, so I feel like I want to leave it to you guys. For this one, I think I'm gonna continue using it. It feels like I use only half of the actual regular routine from that Pantene one. This one a little goes a long way. I know it's kind of pricey, but it used half of that, and I feel like my hair just feel more smoother and it's less tangled for this side. I'll keep using it. I know it's a lot, it smells good. The only bad thing that I could say is that it's kind of pricey, but if it works, why not? I just like that feels so smooth and it's detangle my hair, and that is a big issue that I have, and feels like it's weighs down a bit if you use a lot of product. I know I have kind of short hair right now, but if you have long hair and you use this on only the ends, I think it's gonna work really wonderfully. What do you guys think? So I will leave it to you guys if you think if this one is worth it or not. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.